are you promising to deliver a landslide victory for the entire administration slate?
We are committing ourselves now to support the slate that is supported by HNP because we know that all of these senatorial candidates will be strong supporters of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. You know, Cebu delivered 1.4 million votes margin over you know who. And so Cebu will again show that through one Cebu, talagang nagkakaisa dito nagkakaisang Cebu, we will be able to deliver and manifest once again our strong support for President Rodrigo Roa Duterte through HNP and of course with this very strong partnership now between HNP and One Cebu with Mayor Sara Duterte.